Good morning, students. I am PU ma'am, your bio teacher of Crescent Mission High School. Today I am going to give a lesson on cell, which is of 9th standard. The first lesson is cell. We have known something about cell in our previous class. In this class, we have to know about cell. What is cell? First of all, we know that what is cell. We know that cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It is also called the building block, which all living organisms are made up of the cell. We know that all living organisms means either the living creatures, small or great, all are made up of cell. Cells vary in size. Most cells are very small as well as microscopic. Some cells may exist as independent unit of life, such as cells like euglena, amoeba. We know that unicellular organism amoeba is exist in the universe, and amoeba works as well as our body, our cells does work, as like digestion, respiration, locomotion, irrigation, excretion. All life process is done by amoeba, same as well as in human beings. So cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. After that, you have to know that who discovered the cell. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Robert Hooke, the name of scientist, who has discovered cell in 1665. After that, some of the scientists have given the cell theory. Cell theory means the theory of the cell, how cell is exist in an animal. First of all, we have known about this, that the cell is composed of so many cellular particles, such as there is cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane. These are the three parts of the cell. First is cell membrane, second is cytoplasm, and third is nucleus. We have to know about cell membrane, and we have read something about in our previous class. What is cell membrane? The outermost cover of cell is called cell membrane, which give a definite shape to the cell. Cell membrane gives a definite shape to the cell. Second, out of cell membrane, the whole structure is called cytoplasm, in which so many cell organelles. Their name: mitochondria, Golgi, ribosome, centrosome, centriole, etc. are found in cytoplasm. Means in cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi, ribosome, centrosome, centrioles, etc. These cell organelles are present inside the cytoplasm, and in the middle of the cell there is a nucleus, which means the central part of the cell. Nucleus has also 4 parts. First, nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Second, nucleoplasm. Third, nucleolus. And fourth, chromatin. These are the 4 parts of the nucleus. The central part of the cell is called nucleus. Nucleus is covered by an envelope called nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleus, the dense part, fluid part is called nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleus, there are a small round shape that are called nucleolus, and the thread, net-like fibrous parts are called chromatin. These are the 4 parts of the nucleus. So, first of all, we have read about cell. What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. Cell theory, J.M. Sliden and T. Schwann has given this theory known as cell theory. According to cell theory, no cells can be created. It will be simultaneously grown by cell division, and after that the parts of the cell, there are 3 main parts of the cell. First, 3 main parts of the cell. First is cell membrane, second is cytoplasm, third is nucleus. Cell membrane give definite shape to the cell. Cytoplasm, dense fluid particles in which so many cell organelles, mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi and plasmic reticulum, centrosome, centrioles are present. And nucleus, the main central part of the cell in which there are also 4 parts: nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm and chromatin. This is the lesson of today. Now you have to give the answer of these questions. You have to teach further, but in this class you have to give the answer of these questions. First question, what is cell? Question number 2, who discovered the cell and when? Question number 3, name any 5 cell organelles. Question number 4, what is the function of cell membrane? And question number 5, what is nucleus? So students, you have to give the answer of these questions, and for your next information we will meet in our next video. Thank you.